Hey Nancy, why are you sitting here alone?
I don't want to talk to anyone.
Did something happen to you?
No, please go from here.
Are you angry with me?
No, I am just upset.
Why? What happened?
Nothing special. I feel unhappy.
Please tell me your problem.
No, just leave me alone.
Okay then, I am going now.
Wait, where are you going?
I am going home.
Please sit here for a moment.
First, tell me what is wrong.
Oh no, forget it.
Are you okay?
Yes, but I feel sad.
Why are you feeling sad?
In my office, everyone speaks English.
Then what happened?
My English is very poor.
What do you mean?
I mean, I can't speak fluently.
Who told you that?
Nobody. I feel it myself. I make many mistakes.
Oh, that is your problem.
Yes, my English speaking problem.
I think you are doing fine.
Really? Yes, you just need practice.
How can I practice English?
You can speak with friends daily. But I feel shy. Don't be shy. Everyone learns slowly. What if people laugh at me? They won't laugh. They will help you. Still, I feel nervous. It is normal in the beginning. I want to improve fast. Then practice small sentences every day. Like what sentences? Like, how are you? And what are you doing? That sounds easy. Yes, start from easy words. Can I learn English at home? Of course you can. You can watch English videos and listen to simple conversations. Yes, that will help you. Should I speak in front of a mirror? Yes, that helps a lot. I want to speak confidently. You will. Just keep trying. Thank you for supporting me. You are my friend. I will always support you. I feel better now. Good. Don't lose hope. From tomorrow, I will practice daily. That's great, Nancy. I'm proud of you.
Good morning, Nancy.
Good morning, Alex.
How are you feeling today?
I feel better today, thank you.
That's good to hear.
Yes, I practiced English last night.
Really? That's great.
Yes, I want to improve step by step.
Don't worry, you will improve.
Thank you for saying that.
So, are you ready for today's work?
Yes, but I have many tasks.
What work do you have today?
I need to finish a report.
Oh, I also have a report to do.
Reports take a lot of time.
Yes, they do.
What is your plan for today?
First, I will check my emails.
That's a good start.
Then I will attend the morning meeting.
I will join the meeting too.
Are you nervous about speaking in the meeting?
A little, yes.
It's okay, you can speak slowly.
I will try my best.
Do you want help with English at work?
Yes, that would be helpful.
We can practice small office sentences.
That sounds perfect.
Like, can you repeat, please?
Yes, I can use that sentence.
Or, I will complete it soon.
That is a useful sentence.
What project are you working on today?
I am working on the customer file.
Oh, that's important work.
Yes, I must be careful.
After lunch, we have a team discussion.
I forgot about that.
Don't worry, I will remind you.
Thank you, Alex.
Do you have any plans after office hours?
Yes, I will practice English again.
That's a great habit.
I want to speak confidently like others.
You will, Nancy. Just keep practicing daily.
I feel motivated now.
Let's do our work and have a productive day.
Yes, let's do it. Thank you for your support. Hi, Nancy. Are you ready to practice English today?
Yes, Ria, I am ready. Thank you for coming.
No problem. Friends always help each other.
I really want to speak better.
You will improve soon. Let's start with easy sentences. Okay, I'm listening. First, tell me about your day. My day was busy at the office. What did you do at work? I finished my report and checked emails. Great. Now say, I worked very hard today. I worked very hard today. Perfect. Now say, I want to learn English daily. I want to learn English daily. Very good. Do you feel nervous when you speak? Yes, I feel nervous sometimes. That is normal. Everyone feels nervous in the beginning. I hope I become confident soon. You will. Let's practice office phrases.
Yes, please teach me.
Say, can you help me with this work? Can you help me with this work? Nice. Now say, I will complete it soon. I will complete it soon. Good job. Now say, please repeat that again. Please repeat that again. Excellent. Do you understand this sentence? Yes, I understand it clearly. Great. Let's do small conversation practice. Okay, I'm ready. Hello, Nancy. How are you today? Hello, Ria. I am fine. How are you? I am also fine. What are you doing now? I am practicing English with you. That's good. What do you want to improve? I want to improve my speaking skills. Wonderful. Say, I make mistakes, but I will learn. I make mistakes, but I will learn. Very nice. Mistakes are part of learning. Yes, I understand now. Now tell me, what is your goal? My goal is to speak English fluently. That is a great goal. Practice every day. I will practice every day from now. Let's practice mirror speaking too. Yes, I will speak in front of the mirror. Good. You are improving already. Thank you, Ria. I feel more confident. I am proud of you, Nancy. Keep going. Thanks a lot. I will never give up. Good morning, Nancy.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please come in and sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
How is your work going today?
It is going well, ma'am.
Did you complete the customer report?
Yes, I completed it this morning.
That's good. Can you send it to me?
Yes, I will send it right away.
Are you facing any problems in your tasks?
A little, ma'am. I need some guidance.
Okay, tell me what the problem is.
I am not sure about the presentation file.
Don't worry, I will explain it to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are improving day by day.
Yes, I am trying my best.
Do you feel confident speaking in meetings now? I feel better, but still a little nervous.
It's normal. Practice will help you.
Yes, ma'am. I practice daily at home.
That's a good habit.
Thank you for supporting me. Nancy, we have a team meeting at 2 p.m. Okay, ma'am. I will be ready.
Please prepare your points before the meeting.
Yes, I will prepare them. Also, check the email from the client. Sure, ma'am. I will check it. If you need help, ask Alex too. Yes, Alex is very helpful. Good teamwork is important in the office. Yes, ma'am. I agree. Are you comfortable with today's workload? Yes, ma'am. I can manage it. Great. Keep your focus on quality work. I will do my best. Nancy, do you have any questions? Yes, ma'am. When is the project deadline? The deadline is Friday evening. Okay, I will finish my part before Friday. Very good. I trust you. Thank you, ma'am. That means a lot. You are a valuable employee. I am happy to hear that. Keep learning and growing. Yes, ma'am. I will improve more. All right, you can go back to your desk now. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.